Every person at some point in their life faces fear. Sometimes the fear is small, sometimes overwhelming, but it always affects how we act and the choices we make. Social situations, exams, career decisions, or personal goals, fear influences us in every area. Fear is not just an emotion, it is a psychological signal sent by the brain to protect us. While it keeps us safe from real dangers, often it is triggered unnecessarily by our imagination, past negative experiences, or doubts. Today, we are going to explore how to understand your fear, recognize its signs, identify its triggers, and most importantly, build the courage to overcome it. This journey will make you stronger, more aware, and truly fearless. Fear is a natural reaction built into every human being. The amygdala in our brain constantly detects threats. When we face fear, our body sends clear signals. Our heart beats faster, muscles tense up, and breathing accelerates. Yet many times fear is unnecessary. When we think, "I will fail," or "people will judge me," our body reacts as if the threat is real. This is a psychological response linked to our mindset and past experiences. Signs of fear include rapid heartbeat and sweating, overthinking and constant anxiety, hesitation in decision-making, negative self-talk, and low confidence. By recognizing these signals early, we can take control of our fear and build courage and confidence in our lives. There are different types of fear. First, social fear, fear of embarrassment or judgment. Social fear is often caused by self-doubt and past negative social experiences. Fear of failure, worrying about exams or goals, usually linked to high expectations. Phobias, intense fear of specific things, sometimes caused by childhood trauma. Performance anxiety, fear of speaking on stage, often caused by low confidence. Symptoms include overthinking, sleepless nights, stress, and hesitation. Understanding the type and cause of your fear is the first step toward overcoming it. Fear prevents us from taking action. It keeps us inside our comfort zone. These psychological blocks can affect our career, personal life, and relationships. Because of fear, we often avoid risks, hesitate to speak, and miss chances to showcase talent. However, when you face it consciously, you gradually become more confident and resilient. By learning to manage and overcome fear, you open the door to growth and success. The first step to overcoming fear is to recognize and accept it. Many people try to ignore or suppress their fear, which only strengthens anxiety over time. Journaling. Write down your fears and the situations that trigger them. Talk therapy. Share your feelings with a trusted friend, family member, or counselor. Acknowledging your fear reduces its power and allows you to take control. Every fear has a trigger. Understanding what triggers your fear allows you to face it gradually. Common triggers include past experiences, self-critical thoughts, and social pressure. Once you know your triggers, you can use exposure techniques and mindfulness to manage them. Step-by-step exposure builds resilience and helps you remain calm in fearful situations. Now let's explore practical techniques to overcome fear, deep breathing, and mindfulness. Focus on 4-second inhale, 4-second hold, 4-second exhale. This calms anxiety instantly. Gradual exposure. Face your fears step by step, starting with small challenges. Positive affirmations. Repeat phrases like, "I am confident" daily to build a positive mindset. Visualization. Imagine yourself confidently handling situations that caused fear. Physical exercise boosts endorphins, reduces stress, and strengthens resilience. Consistency is key. Practicing these methods regularly will help you control fear and unlock your full potential. Remember, fear is a natural part of life, but when you take control of it, you can enjoy life fully and achieve your goals. Decide today. Fear will no longer control you. You will control fear. Step by step, you will become confident, resilient, and truly fearless. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Explore more videos for tips and strategies to master your mind, overcome fear, and unlock your true potential. Take a moment to reflect on a time you faced a minor fear and succeeded. That strength is still within you. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. Every small step you take builds that triumph. Your potential is as vast as the universe, limited only by the boundaries you allow fear to set. Step into your power today. Embrace the journey, trust the process, and live fearless. Never underestimate the power of community. Sharing your journey with others who understand can lighten the burden. Through neuroplasticity, every time you face a fear, you are physically rewiring your mind for courage. Old fear-based pathways weaken while new, resilient connections grow stronger. Science proves that you can change who you are. Celebrate every small victory. These small wins trigger dopamine, creating a positive feedback loop. The gap between fear and action is bridged by commitment. Don't wait for the fear to disappear. Take the action in spite of it. This is the beginning of your new chapter, a life where fear is a passenger, but you are the driver. You are ready.